So, hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. This is a no contact reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind, roles can be reversed also, action can be from your side also. Not resonating, not your story, as it's general. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Links are given below in the description box. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono Masterclass link is given below. That's life changing. I'm doing it from a very long time. You can trust me on that. Aquarius, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with their current feelings for you right now. Five of Swords in reverse, Three of Cups, Page of Wands. Now somebody's ego is melting. Now this person is realizing their ego is melting. They're no longer feeling like playing mind games with you or manipulating your energies. They feel like coming forward towards you and talk to you and have this coming together, coming back together kind of a deal with you, collaborate with you in some way. Especially if you guys used to work with each other, or if you guys still have some kind of work deal or business deal or job deal going on, right? For others of you, this person feels like having a reconciliation and reconnecting with you. Now their ego, their mind is kind of telling them to stop and listen to their heart, and their heart is telling them to reconnect and start from the fresh, start from the zero kind of a deal. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions? For some of you, this person feels like they should take help from a mutual friend or mutual person, mutual energy between you guys, so that they can initiate this communication, initiate this friendship kind of a deal with you. But again, from they don't want to talk about the past, they don't want to think about the past between you guys, they just want to start it with a fresh energy. Their intention is to let go of something that they're holding on to, the pain, the hurt, the bruises, the I am not going to talk to you, the defending energies, and this of defensive energies. So they want to come towards you with a clear conscience, and they want to come towards you with a clear cut understanding, clear cut energy of, see, I'm here with a very fresh and clean energy. I want you to have the same clean and fresh energies. Let go of the past. Whatever happened. We can't change anything about it, but we can start with a fresh and clean slate, with a very positive attitude, with a very positive energy, and whatever will come next, I'm okay with that. Okay. So basically, starting from scratch, giving a fresh start with a clean slate kind of energy, and being ready for whatever is next. Not thinking too much about the outcome of the situation, but want to put in the effort and energy with clean energies, clear cut understanding. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 9th of Feb. We have the King of Swords, the Two of Cups, and the Star. So it's like there are very good chances, Aquarius, somebody is going to show up in your life again, even if they are going to be very, like, you can say, straightforward, a little bit rude or blunt, or you can say honest. There are good chances that they will try to heal the situation between you and them somehow, with the truth, with the clarity, even if it is going to hurt you or them or the both of you. Somebody is coming towards you with a lot of clarity, with a lot of this energy of, no matter what, I'm going to say the truth and reveal the truth to Aquarius, even if it is going to bother them, even if it is going to bother both of us. But let's start with the honesty, let's start with the truthfulness. So there are chances of somebody coming towards you, connecting, reconnecting with you, and talking to you with a very straightforward energy. No ifs and buts, no conflicts, no confusions. Everything is crystal clear from this person's side. For you, the guidance here is the Hanged One, Hanged Man or Hanged One, you can say. Surrender to the divine. Okay, definitely you should do that. But try to see things from a different perspective. Try to see things like for yourself as well from a different perspective. Try to understand other person's point of view as well. Then make the right choice and make the right decision. Don't make any kind of move until unless you are 100% sure that this is the right course of action from your side, because you might end up having something stupid at the end of the day again, and you are going to blame the universe for that. It's your wish, it's your will, it's your choice. You stop blaming the universe for the shitty things that we do in our lives. We should not blame the universe. Yeah, we are the one to blame here, because we have a free will, and we should know what we should do and what we should not do after these many experiences. That's the lesson here. That's the deal. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.